Hello everybody, I'm Buzz, and I'm going to bring you another member to the Max family. This is the stainless steel Zmax, and let's look at it compared to the chrome. Seems like the lines are kind of cut into it a little better. It looks a little sharper, and you can just tell stainless is a little better quality than chrome. I do like the looks of the stainless a little better versus the chrome. It doesn't show fingerprints as well, and it just looks a little better is all. Okay, when I got this, I also got a extended battery cap with it. There you can, let me take this off so you can see the difference here. Has a little bit, it's a little bit longer. It's got the same size spring inside, same thing, just a little bit longer. And if you get that extended battery cap, what that allows you to do is use the stack batteries. The shoot, what are they called? 18340s, 18350s. I can't remember. Too many batteries to remember. 18350s if you want to excuse me, if you want to stack them. Use the nipple tops AWs. People had issues. You try to use those and it would press against your board there and cause your mod to do funky things. So that's not good. Let me show you why that does that. Okay, there we go. See that? There's your chipset, and it has both sides, variable voltage, variable wattage, and there's your battery post. That battery post is soldered right to your circuit board. So if you're putting pressure on that, it's kind of bending your circuit board basically and making it do funky things. And I don't think I would just drop that battery in there. I would gently push it up and screw it on. That way you don't have the trouble. It has a blue LED, has all the same protections: reverse battery protection, thermal protection, all the same stuff that the regular Zmax has. And here's what makes this different. Let's go to the menu, and you can't see it because it's too bright. There we go. Let's wait a minute. Dang it. I'll get it right one of these days. There we go. I don't know if you can see that very well. Let's try that. 2, 3, even though it's upside down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has an 8th menu. That's the change. The newest edition. Didn't we just come out with the Zmax? Seems like I'm getting tired of all these Zmaxes. Why don't they just make one that works right? What's the deal? Same with the VMAX. I just don't get it. Maybe I'm thinking too much, huh? Expect too much for something to work right the first time you buy it. Anyway, what this new 8th menu is supposed to do is it has an AMS side. So that has all kinds of sides to it. It has an 8th menu with 2 sides. It has a there's an AMS, it says, and then let's let it go back to 8. Okay. Now we have a MEA AMS. And the MEA side is supposed to be recalibrated right. But I put it on my scope and it's just calibrated low. So you either got it running too hot or too cool. It's not right. It's just not right on. No matter how they try to dish it up, they just don't seem to be able to get it right. So everybody keeps harping about how this is as good as the Proberry. It looks just as nice. And actually, you know what? I think the stainless one does look pretty nice, to be honest with you. But it's a suck up, you know. It'd be nice if they made it look nice and it was their own idea. It's got the same lines in it. It's got dots just like a Proberry. I mean, they're trying to suck up off that. I don't know. It is what it is, but it doesn't work as well as a Proberry. No matter what anybody tries to say, I put it on the scope. The numbers don't match up. I'm looking for some software. I'm not very good at editing. Not too good at computer stuff, to be honest with you, but I'm thinking of getting some security software that would allow me to switch between cameras, and I could show you my scope and stuff down below. I not have to edit it, and the best I could find regular software like that, it's pretty expensive, but I think I can get some of that pretty cheap, and I can start showing you some of the scope stuff. But and it's just too much trouble on the holding it up there, and you can't read it half the time anyway, so it doesn't make any difference. Does vape okay. It does what it's supposed to do. It produces vapor, so we'll give it that. But it's not regulated right. I mean, that's just all there is to it. And I know everyone wants it to be that way. I don't know why. If you want a good quality mod, go buy a good quality mod. This is not it. They're fairly durable. They work okay. This one has the same overburn issue. I have it set on the wattage side at 6 watts. This is a 2.8 ohm cartomizer. It's an 801 Fusion. This is a Bogue one. Do you hear that little? That's that many times. If I vape this 100 times, that's that many less puffs that I get off my cartomizer. That's just all there is to it. And I don't know. I get this stuff just to review it, check it out. I like collecting them, but I don't know. If I had to pick, I could only afford one mod, and this would not be it. Like I said, it is durable. We'll give it that. You can throw it around and it'll work just fine. But it's not made well. It's not reliable, or not. I guess reliable is not the right word. It's just not accurate. That's the right word I'm trying to think of. For not that much more money, there are mods out there that are a lot more accurate and just put together better. Like I said, there's definitely that solder joint in there. That's just, I mean, most people have a tendency it's just kind of drop it in there. It's kind of nice to hear that sound, feel that battery fall into place. But if you do that, your mod's not going to last that long. So that's my opinions, thoughts, and ideas and experience with the newest member of the Max family. Again, wasn't that long that the first Zmax came out, and it was supposed to be the greatest thing that was ever happened. And now we have another version that came out with an 8th menu. And maybe when they come out with the 9th or 10th menu with a green LED, this one has a blue LED. The other one has a blue too. But I like the LED. It looks nice. Maybe it'll work right. Or maybe I'm just thinking again. I don't know. So there you have it. No one asked me to do this review. No one paid me. I bought this with my own money, so it's my property, and I have a right to say anything I like about it. But this is my honest opinion and experience with it. So everybody, keep on vaping.